Diagnostic devices play a critical role in modern healthcare by enabling accurate disease detection, faster clinical decisions, and improved patient outcomes. From laboratory analyzers and imaging systems to point-of-care testing devices, in vitro diagnostics, and portable diagnostic equipment, manufacturers must maintain exceptional precision, regulatory compliance, and complete product traceability. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline diagnostic device manufacturing while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From product design and bill of materials to procurement, production planning, electronic assembly, calibration, quality inspection, inventory management, packaging, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to optimize machine utilization, workforce allocation, and material availability while efficiently managing multiple product lines